my stuff, bro.
9120,
You're under arrest. Look at my stuff.
Hold that last traffic light.
Look at my stuff.
Get our victim.
On February the 27th, 2023, at approximately 5:30 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to a call of an armed carjacking. While responding to the area, they were observed by the suspect, who began fleeing at a high rate of speed. The suspect then ran a red light on Main Street and struck another vehicle that was traveling northbound on Champion Avenue. The suspect vehicle became disabled, and the suspect decided to bail on foot. The suspect then made the tactical error of placing their body in front of a police cruiser that was traveling at approximately 27 miles an hour. No officers or police cars were harmed in the making of this video.
All right, it is 10-5, Champion and Main. Just saw it, went on board.
Champion and Main.
He's west of, cutting up the alley. On the lot at Family Dollar, one on board. Male black, gray jacket, dark blue pants, right there, right there, right there. Got a gun, got a gun.
10-3, 10-3.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Get on your face!
Get the car, get the car, get the car. It's on the lot.
I got him.
It's on the lot. I don't know if there's a bail.
Hey, someone go to the victim! One, two, one, Maine and Ohio. That's where you can start with 20. Look at my stuff, bro.
9120,
You're under arrest. Look at my stuff.
Hold that last traffic light.
Look at my stuff.
Get our victim.
Got him. I got cuffs. Hold his hand.
Get the car. It's on the lot.
I got him.
It's on the lot. I don't know if there's a bail.
Hey, someone go to the victim! Someone go to the victim. One, two, Maine and Ohio. That's where you can start with 20. You're under arrest.
Look at my stuff. Look at my stuff.
Victim's grabbed at the moment up against the pole. Give me that location again. Yes, victim.
Get my phone.
Hey, get that. Make sure it doesn't blow away, Riddle.
Hey, I'm gonna go home and see this gun. Get my phone and my shoe.
Leave it, yeah.
We got CMC going to man Champion. There's another response to that top two. Where's the location of the 4145 victim? The person
Bro, that's my money right there.
He's at Berkeley and
That
Price.
money right
He's got
there is
the
mine.
victim out of that 4A. Where's he at? We need another car or a car flyer in the Bailey Dollar lot. Next car, go to Berkeley, Harbor 4145. Victim is get there in time.
Ready? Alright. Gun securing 121, sir.
Huh? What's your name?
Letitia.
Go get him up.
Main is shut down between Champaign and Ohio right now.
On your side. Hey, he got hit by the car, so it's a sheep. She got hit by the car? My shoes.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll just
Give it up here.
Hey, I have all this.
Okay, I'll take care.
I'm not saying it's yours.
No, it's fine. We'll take
Put
it.
it on the other.
It's fine.
Okay. You guys good?